Hello, today I'll be making a cabbage salad, which is very easy to make. So I'm using a small cabbage today, and I'm cutting it very finely with small slices. And you can make the whole cabbage and use it for the week for the salad. Okay. So this is all the cabbage I cut. So now you're gonna have to squeeze it a little bit just to make it softer, so it's not as. Now I'm ready to cut the parsley, the fresh parsley. You just need like a cup of parsley, fresh leaves. So I just cut 1 carrot into fine little pieces. I added it to the cabbage. So just mix everything together very well. So they're embedded in one. And now for the dressing, I'm just gonna add 4 tablespoons of sour cream and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To make the dressing. And I'm going to add the chopped parsley. Salt. Samyafton. All you need, basically. And olive oil. I added like 4 tablespoons. You can add as much as you prefer. And last, I'm gonna add the lemon juice, half the juice of a half lemon. So mix everything together, and I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, balsamic vinegar, just a little bit. Mix everything together. So now I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon, chopped finely. So now I'm adding the lemon to the cabbage and the carrots. So I have to also mix them well so they're incorporated and they flavor each other. So now I'm going to add salad dressing. And mix everything together. I'm gonna mix it by hand because that's the only way you're gonna make a perfect. That's my way anyway. If you're cooking for other people, make sure to put gloves on. After you mix the salad well, if you desire, you can add some olives, and you can serve this for the week. You can serve this on a bagel or toasted bread and eat it as is. Super delicious. I hope you try. Bon appetit. Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be making Brussels sprouts in a pan, which are super easy and super delicious afterwards. So I cleaned up the Brussels sprouts, cut them in half, and then I put them in water with 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. So all the chemicals will be washed out, and we'll continue, and I hope you guys stay tuned. So I'm marinating the Brussels sprouts with oregano, parsley, salt, pepper, and at the end I'm just gonna add some olive oil, and then 2 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna close the pan. And then they will be ready to go. Oh, it looks delicious. It looks amazing. You don't want to lose the color either. You don't want to burn them. You don't want to overcook them either. So they will be cooked within the speed of the... I'm going to be adding garlic because I love garlic. And makes everything, you know, delicious and healthy. I'm going to be closing that. In 5 minutes, this is going to be done. Now the Brussels sprouts are ready to serve. They look delicious and they smell amazing. I hope if this recipe people will change their mind about our Brussels sprouts, because they are delicious. I hope you try. Hello. Today I'll be making rustic potato pie with prosciutto, and you can use any kind of cheese, but I'm using Hearty cheese, and you'll need some Parmigiano Reggiano, and these are the ingredients: butter and milk and flour are for the bechamel, which you'll need, you know, in order to put everything together. Stay tuned. So first we're using the bechamel. We're putting a layer. Oops. So now I'm layering the potato that I boiled for 10 minutes previously. And the bechamel, if you are interested to know how to make it, you can check my YouTube bechamel for the lasagna I made on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and now we're going to layer with some cheese. And now I'm adding the prosciutto cotto. You can add mozzarella if you like. I'm going to put a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano grated. And then I'm gonna add another layer of bechamel. And now I'm doing the second layer, potatoes. And now I'm adding another layer of the cheese. So I'm putting the second layer of prosciutto. How pretty. I opened the prosciutto in advance, and that's why there's no biggie. This is the last layer of bechamel. This is the last layer of Parmesan. So I'm adding the last layer of bechamel. In the last layer I added just the potatoes. And now we're gonna add the feta and the Parmesan cheese and put it in the oven for 40 minutes, 45 minutes to bake. And I hope you guys try this. And this is the layer of the last layer of the Parmesan. And this will go in the oven just like this. The rustic potato pie is ready. It smells delicious. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!